In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Binance. So we're going to be transferring from our Binance wallet to Binance Exchange. In order to do that, launch your application just like this, and at the top left, click on the menu icon. And then just go ahead and click on More Services. Scroll down and click on Deposit. You're just going to search for USDT and click right there. And then we're going to choose a network. So we're just going to select this BNB Smart Chain. So you're just going to go ahead and copy your deposit address right here. Just click on this icon here and the address is going to be copied. When you do that, just go back to your home page and then we're going to click on Wallet. So when you open up your Binance wallet, on the bottom menu, click on Assets. And then scroll up until you find USDT and click on it. And then click on Send. You're just going to select the option Send to Wallet Address. And here you have the option to paste the wallet address that you copied. Just click on Paste in order to paste your address. When you do that, click on Continue. And then here you just need to enter the amount of USDT you're trying to send. So let's enter 100. So when you do that, you can just go ahead now and click on Continue. And then you'll be able to transfer USDT from your wallet to Exchange.